Welcome to Dental Health 365. In today's video, we're diving into one of the simplest but most essential habits for a healthy mouth, brushing your teeth. Think brushing is just about fresh breath. It's way more than that. Stick around to find out why brushing is crucial for not just your smile, but your overall health. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips to keep your dental health in top shape. First up, let's talk about plaque. Plaque is a sticky, colourless film of bacteria that constantly forms on your teeth. If it's not brushed away, plaque can turn into tartar, a hard substance that can only be removed by a dentist. Over time, these bacteria produce acids that break down your tooth enamel, leading to cavities and decay. By brushing twice a day, you're removing plaque before it hardens and keeping your enamel strong. Think of brushing as the front line of defense against plaque and decay. No one wants a mouthful of cavities. Did you know that brushing your teeth also keeps your gums healthy? Neglecting your gums can lead to gum disease, which starts as gingivitis, swollen red gums that may bleed when you brush. If ignored, gingivitis can progress to periodontitis, a severe gum disease that can even lead to tooth loss. Brushing helps remove bacteria and plaque build up around your gum line, keeping inflammation and infection at bay. Healthy gums are the foundation of a healthy smile. Brushing isn't just good for your mouth, it benefits your entire body. Studies show that poor oral hygiene is linked to health issues like heart disease, diabetes, and respiratory problems. Harmful bacteria from your mouth can enter your bloodstream and affect your organs over time. So by brushing your teeth, you're not only protecting your smile, but you're also looking after your heart and overall health. Brushing is a quick, easy habit with huge health benefits. So, now you know why brushing your teeth is so important for your teeth, gums, and your overall health. Remember to brush twice a day, every day, for a healthier, brighter smile. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Dental Health 365 for more dental care tips, and don't forget to check out dentalhealth365.com for product recommendations and expert advice. Let's keep those smiles healthy.